So we want to find the derivative of this guy. So I don't know if it's necessary to keep copying this definition, but it doesn't hurt to copy it, I guess. And what we're going to do is we're just going to substitute in. So we're going to get the limit as h goes to 0. We're going to get x plus h squared minus 3 times x plus h. That's the first part. So maybe I'll put square brackets around there. And then I'll put minus. I'm going to put brackets, square brackets around the next term. So the next term is just going to be x squared minus 3x. And then the denominator here is all divided by h. Does anyone know what technique we want to use? You want to factor, you want to simplify, multiply top and bottom by the conjugate, take two one-sided limits, use the squeeze theorem. Is this an infinite limit? Any thoughts? I feel like anytime you have something so complicated like this, the natural thing to do would be to simplify. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to simplify. So let's simplify the first square bracket. That's going to give us a x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. And make sure I distribute the negative over here. So it's going to be minus 3x minus 3h. Is there any questions about this? I always wonder if it bothers you that I do this part so quickly. I think I told you this is one of the two binomial formulas we remember, but just in case you joined this class a week, 5 days ago, I'm just reminding you that if you have a plus b squared, that's just equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So that's how I factor that or expand that so quickly. A minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay. Alrighty, that's just the first square bracket. For the second square bracket, I have to distribute the negative. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I'm really careful about maintaining my parentheses and stuff because it's easy to forget to distribute. So hopefully I don't do that. I'm going to get a negative x squared. This will become plus 3x. This is all divided by h. Okay. Hopefully everything involving that doesn't involve an h cancels out. Let's see. You're going to have an x squared here and a minus x squared there. That's helpful. You have a minus 3x here. You have a plus 3x there. Oh, perfect. Great. Excellent. Awesome. So now I can simplify this. This becomes the limit as h goes to, oh my God, I forgot to turn on the little. Whoops. You guys can always remind me to turn on the live transcript. I forget sometimes. Okay, so let's factor out an h from the numerator. So you got a h times 2x plus h minus 3. And then in the denominator, we have an h. And we can see that the h in the denominator finally gets canceled by the h in the numerator. So we've seen this happen over and over today. So this becomes the limit as h goes to 0, 2x plus h plus 3. As h goes to 0, this second term gets killed off, and we just end up with 2x plus 3. So our f prime of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Oh, whoops. My plus magically turned into a minus. This is very typical me, unfortunately. minus. Sorry about that. Any questions?